Hi, I'm Andy, back again. Today's Wordle, it's the 26th of April, and going to start off with stare. Let's get it going. Oops. Stare. And, right, we've got ES and T, and I'm guessing it could end in EST, so we'll try chest. And yes, T is correct. The H here in the wrong order. Can't think it can start with an E. In actual fact, the only thing I can think of is heist. Heist it is. There we go. Oh, impressive again. Hope you enjoyed. Just under a minute. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and please don't be shy and subscribe. Thank you very much. Goodbye.